Hey everybody, just Mr. Karam here again, coming at you with some more music theory and just as you prepare for things like finals, homework assignments, and whatnot. So today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about rests. So we talked in the two earlier videos on quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Today I wanted to tie in all of that to their respective rests. So whole rests, half rests, and quarter rests. So we had this little thing earlier, the rhythm tree, where I showed you whole, half, and quarter, and how it kind of stems off of the whole and builds up, and we divide the notes as we go, the note values as we go. The same thing can be said for the rhythm tree of rests. So the whole note, again, in 4/4 time, which is what is our basis for rhythm, will be the whole rest. Now it's called the whole rest, again, just like the whole note, because it takes up the whole measure or the entire measure. Okay, so that looks like, imagine this line right here is a bar line. Okay, then we actually make a hole in the ground and we fill it in. Okay, so you've got to fill it in every which way, the whole thing. I know it takes a minute, but that's all right. It needs to be clear. It needs to be clear what it is. Okay, so that is a whole rest, just like the whole note worth 4 beats. Okay, the half rest, same kind of thing. Let me grab. I'll just do it with a pencil, I suppose. So again, this is 4 beats right off to the side. That's hard to see. I'll do 10. A little better. 4 beats. Okay. Then we can stem that out. If we divide 4 evenly into 2 halves, music is math, people. We have the same thing. We put a line here, a line here. Imagine it's actually going to be the same exact line. Okay. Then we add the same filled in rectangle, but not below it. It's going to be above it. Okay. Okay. Same thing over here. Now, to me, it kind of looks like a top hat. That's how I remember what that looks like. Hat and half. They rhyme, so they look alike. That looks like a top hat. So, but to me anyway. All right, so again, we've taken this 4 and we've divided it into 2 equal halves. So we know this is 2 beats and this is also 2 beats. Okay. Then we're going to take each of these and divide yet again into more even parts or symbols. So that symbol looks like this. And there's a bajillion, there are multiple ways to do this. I want you to actually practice drawing these out, but it's more of a squiggly line. So we're not going with the rests anymore. With like these rectangle kind of rests. We're going with the squiggly line rests. And so if we take 2 and divide it evenly in half, we would have each half would then be 1 beat. Okay. So that's what we've got as far as the rhythm tree with rests. Okay. For now you see I've intentionally left some space above it to add on to what we're going to do. Okay. So that's what I've got for now. But just kind of review, remember, this is a whole rest, take up the whole measure. So 4 beats. These are half rests. They take up half a measure each. So they're 2 beats, of course. And then these are quarter rests. They take up 1 beat each. And we can sort of equate that or compare it to, if I can get my finger out of the way on that one, to these 2 these two are very similar. In fact, they line up. If you see whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes in the same kind of plane and area as the whole rest, quarter rest, whole rest, half rest, and quarter rest. So you can see that just visually there. So, okay. And then it's going to be really important that you are able to put this in the context of your own composition. On my finals, typically what happens is we have a compose your own, you count my composition, 4 measures, then you compose your own composition, and then you count your own composition. So that's where we're at. Rhythm is very, very important. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will then put this in context of a composition and kind of start putting it all together. So that's it for now. We'll see you later. Bye.